Last episode, we saw that time runs differently depending on what speed you're moving at, and this difference becomes noticeable when we move close to the speed of light. But of course, time and distance are related in this universal constant called the speed of light, and it turns out that distance starts to behave strangely as we move close to the speed of light as well. Here we set up a simple box and an observer who will suffer the effects of relativity. As this observer moves around in a circle near the speed of light, the size of this simple box changes depending on the direction he moves in. As the observer moves left or right, the box shrinks along the horizontal direction. And as the observer moves up or down, the box shrinks along the vertical direction. This shrinking of distance is directly related to the difference in time we saw in the previous video, since it takes the light a different amount of time to reach the observer from each end of the box. Things get even stranger when we add a second box, because not only do the lengths of the boxes shrink, but so does the distance between the boxes. Space itself contracts under the strange behavior of relativity. Of course, why stop at 2 boxes when we can make an entire 3-dimensional grid of boxes, showing us that space stretches and compresses like an accordion to an observer moving near the speed of light. You can explore this strange behavior more by completing the activities at the link in the description below. Hi, this is Brian from Let's Code Physics. I hope you've enjoyed this series, and I hope it's helpful to you in your experience of learning physics. I wish that we had had resources like this available when I was in high school and college, and I really do think the learning opportunities are endless when you combine physics and coding. If this series has helped you, I'd be glad to hear from you. And if you'd like more opportunities to explore physics using computer programs, I welcome you to check out the rest of this channel and various resources in the description below.